Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 7, and welcome to my period. I hope that you are all fit to fine very well, and I am also good. So beta, now today's our work is exercises of lesson 8. Okay, previous day we read lesson 8 and today we are solving the exercises of lesson 8 and page number 44 to 46. First of all, are you ready? Okay, very good. Now page number 64 to 65. Page 44 to 46. Okay. Now beta, first exercise A. Find words in the passage with the opposite meaning of each of the following: uninteresting, opposite; interesting, few, a large; noisily, slowly; light, weight, वजन; rough, straight; hairless, hairful; cool, hot. Now exercise number B. Finish these sentences with words from the passage. A large area of land covered by trees. A dash. A large area of land. First beta. First. A large area of land covered. Area of land covered. Okay, a large area of covered by trees is by trees. Okay, by trees is a dash. Do you know? No? Okay, don't worry. Forest means a forest. Okay, now number second. A person who stays or travels with someone is called a dash. A person who stays or travels. Now a person or travels. A person who stays or travels with someone is called a. With someone is called a. With someone is called a. Now बेटा हाणे ॾिसो, जॾहिं बि असां काथे के माण्हू सां गॾु सफ़र कंदा आहियूं या रहंदा आहियूं त उनखे असां छा चवंदा आहियूं पंहिंजो? उन सां टॉक थींदी आहे, कचहरी थींदी आहे, गुफ़्तगू थींदी आहे, पर असां छा था चऊं इंग्लिश में? कैंपियन. हिन लेसन में पुट पैसेज में छा पियो चवनि? कैंपियन. ओके, कैंपियन मीन्स साथी. व्हाट बेटा? कैंपियन. Okay. Okay. Now number third. Number third is to be dash to do something. To be dash to do something. to do. To be dash to do something means to be forced means to do it. To be forced to do it. What बेटा माना के जे थ्रू उनते फोर्स कयो वञे पुट त उनखे छा चइबो माना इनते ज़ोर कयो वियो त उहो इहो शइ तोखे करणी आहे त उहो छा थी वेंदो पुट ऑब्लिगेट मजबूर. Okay. Now number 4 is all men and animals were created made by God, so they are called what beta? Creatures. All men and animals were. All men and animals were created or made by were created young God. Okay, so they are called so they are called is creature beta. Okay. Now number 5. To be afraid is to be in a state of dash. To be afraid is to be afraid is to be in a state of in a state of dash. बेटा जॾहिं इंसान ख़ौफ़ में हूंदो आहे त उन स्टेट उन हालत उन कंडीशन खे छा चइबो आहे? फियर, ख़ौफ़. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ नंबर 6. To be about to die. To be about to die. To be about to be die. To die is to be on the is to be on the dash of dash of point of dash. Okay, so now number 7, we fall over when we fall over when we fall over when we dash our dash. What beta? In words? Loss, balance. Okay. Now number 8 means lost. To be distressed. To be sorry. To be distressed is to be dish, what beta? Trebled. Trebled. Okay. Yeah, hurted. Now beta, page number 44 and exercise number D. Answer questions and first you will read lesson 9 and after all you solve this exercise yourself. Very simple, very easy. But first of all read this lesson very carefully. Now infinitives, page number 45. Infinitives means masdar. Infinitive infinitive, infinitive. Okay, so definition. Okay, infinitive is a verb noun. Is a verb and noun. Okay, so now it is a noun with some features. With some, it is noun with some features of the verb. Okay, of the verb. Now it takes an object when the verb is transitive. It takes an object. An object when the verb is transitive. When the verb is now with a transitive verb. Transitive verb is a verb passes over subject to object. Passes over means example transitive beta. Transitive verb. Hanisha I eat a mango. I eat a mango. This is a complete sentence because it gives a complete meaning and sense. So this is it is a verb, first form of verb. So in this sentence it is a transitive verb. Shaji kare putra, why? Because it has subject and also a object. Right putra? Now I eat. This is not a complete sentence. Why? Because it gives not complete meaning or sense. So now in this sentence it is in intransitive verb. This is a transitive verb. Okay. शादी करे पुत्र हेरे ध्यान सामुदो बाबा. Verb is work in the sentence. We have already learned what is verb. Verb is an action word. Verb is work in the sentence. Verb is a verb. Okay, so now three kinds of verb. Beta verb. Work या action word. Eat, drink, go, walk, talk, smile, laugh, cry, many more. All of these verbs. So now verb is work या in and action word. Now three kinds of verb. Okay, which is first transitive verb, second intransitive verb, and last third main helping verbs या auxiliary. Okay, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, will, shall, have, has, can, could, would, should. These are all can, could, would, should में modal verbs. Okay beta. So now transitive verb, a verb that shows passes over subject to object, and intransitive not only subject and verb not object. Right beta. So now infinitive is a verb noun. It is noun with some feature of a verb. It takes an object when the verb is transitive. When the verb is transitive, but often some verbs use the infinitive without to. Often some verbs use the infinitive, without to. Without these words are need, saw, dare, bid, many more, better many more. See or sa beta, common see. See or sa khera baba. Okay, now infinitives. Look at page number 45. And infinitives must that. Look at these two sentences. I want to go. Varti, I want to go. Go. So to infinitives. I made him go. इते असां पुट made हा main verb पुट जेको असां without to हणंदाऊं made भी आहे उन में. ठीकु आहे. अगरि जिते made हूंदो असां उते to न बि आणे सघूं, no problem. The words in italics are words but they have no subject. We say that to go is infinitive of the verb pronounced infinitive. Sometimes to is used. ठीक है बाबा, to करें use थींदो आहे. And sometimes we use bare infinitive, means without to. Bare means without to. Okay, bare means without to. The infinitive is used a good deal in making sentences, especially as the object of a sentence is. The only difficulty here is to know whether to use or not. He promised to come. They wanted to see us. She tried to keep me. I began to understand. Now in most cases we use to as in the sentences, but after to important verbs make and later we use the bare infinitive. He made me do it. Without to we use made. He would not let me go. The bare infinitive is also used after these verbs. We saw the king arrive. I heard him come in. We watched them go. I felt the wall shake. Okay, finish these sentences using either a to infinitive or a bare infinitive. Beta, you will solve yourself. Now, make up sentences using the following verbs followed by either to or a bare infinitive. Okay. So now, beta, today our topic have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you again, new topic, new lesson, and wish you very best of luck and always be happy. So thank you so much.